Julie, you know, I like anything out in the yard made of wood. It just seems to improve the look of the outside.
Yeah, things like fences, trellises, arbors, Adirondack chairs, even this old bench can be
Even my
recycled.
old bench we're trying to save. Actually, this thing looked pretty bad a few days ago, but we used a special brightener and cleaner to not only clean the surface of the wood, but to open up the pores a little bit so that we can now apply a two-tone kind of a finish to it with a semi-transparent stain. So now that it's clean, she's doing a little taping off, we can change the look of these pieces of furniture real quickly. After a little masking, we can start applying the lighter color stain to the bottom half of both pieces. The stain warms up the wood and seals the pores without concealing the grain, so the beauty of the wood shows right through. This bench and chair will be safe from the elements for years to come, but left unprotected exterior wood eventually will have to be replaced. Julie, I would have never thought that this old ugly bench would look this good.
Boy, it sure dressed it up, and this chair is going to feel really good later.
Well, you might want to wait and let that dry a little bit before you start relaxing there.